Hi, my name is Gardner Heather, and I'm at your school right now, the Baldwin. I'm so excited to be working with all of you. Let's take a look around the garden. Let's go walk over to the garden. So we're gonna walk by the playground, and you see this fence here? Ooh, we can already see some beautiful flowers. Let's go in and take a closer look. Look at all these pots and beds with things growing. Wow. Let's take a closer look at some of these things. Ooh, look at these small little plants. What do you notice about them? We have a few little plants over here too. Here's some more plants. The leaves look a little different. And over here, we have some bigger plants. And over here, some even bigger plants. Wow. Oh, take a look here. What do you notice? If we come over here, we're back at the flowers we saw. Let's take a closer look at them. Wow, what colors do you notice? What colors do you notice over here? Let's keep walking through our garden. Oh, what do we notice over here? If we open it up, what do you see inside? Do you know what any of these tools are? And what's this over here? Let's take a look. If we open it up, what do you see? Ooh. Let's go deeper and deeper. Let's keep looking around in our garden. Wow. We have some flowers. We have a lot of this plant. Does anybody know what this plant is? If we come over here, we have some more new little plants growing. And over here, we have lots of flowers. What do they look like? What colors are they? If we move over here, we have something that looks very different. They're much bigger. Has anybody ever tried one of these? Take a look at these. What do these look like to you? What colors are they? And if we keep going over here, we have a really big plant. What do we see? Wow, maybe we have some flowers. Anything else going on in here? And if we come over to this bed, we have another big plant. Let's take a closer look. Oh, there's something growing there. What do you think that looks like and feels like? What might it taste like? And if we look over here, we have our digging bed. Let's dig around and see what we see. Have you dug around in the dirt before? What color do you see? What happens when we dig up the dirt? And over here, we have another part of the garden. Let's go see what's growing. If we come over to this pot here, what do you notice? Look at those different types of leaves. You might even see some flowers. And if we come over here, wow. There's something interesting growing here. Does anybody know what these are? What do they look like? Let's take a closer look at one. Wow. If we open it up, look at that. Look at these leaves over here. What does this plant look like to you? And what about this plant? This plant is very tall. And if we come over here, we have another one of these tall plants. And it looks like there's a little something growing here. And below, we have some colorful flowers. What colors do you see? What color is this flower? What about this one? And this one? And this little one? Over here, we have a really interesting bed of plants. There's all sorts of things growing. You might even see some living things here. Let's take a closer look. We have these. What is this? More of this plant here. It looks like something's growing on it. Look over here, it looks like something's eating out of this flower. Does anybody know what this bug is? Thanks for exploring the garden with me. Next time we're going to look at even more things, and we're going to use our eyes, our hands, our nose, our ears, and even maybe our mouth. See you soon!